Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and greetings. Welcome to DIY Woodworking TV messy workshop, because we are almost done with our table saw work table. Work table with table saw inside. We have wheels, it moves and does the job. Now, because I need to cut that big pieces of plywood to make the tabletop and bottom levels, we need space, and for that we need to remove this big guy here. So let's salvage that. There's a lot of good wood there that we can use for our other projects, right?
Yeah.
So that is 100% pallet wood. We'll use that for some other projects. For now, let's disassemble it and see how it goes and how much wood we get out of it. And then we will finish this masterpiece. This is by far our finest work. Trust me on that. Lots of measurements and time put into this together with kids and I. All right, let's get to work. That was quick, man. I know. It took me a long time to make this table, and opening was so easy. Just this drill, 48 volt hammer drill. Some of the screws were really tight and they didn't want to come out, so hammer drill did the job. This is absolutely nice drill. The link is in video description. Okay, so now cleaning and arranging the wood. Until next time, do watch our channel, subscribe and like and share our videos, and watch our more DIY projects.